If you want to use a computer for your MyChart video visit, you'll need to start by logging on to the website mychart.jefferson.edu. It's important to note that your computer must have a camera and a microphone in order to be used for your video appointment. Video visits are supported on almost all internet browsers, including Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, and Safari. Once you're on the MyChart homepage, log in with your MyChart username and password. Once logged in, go to the Visits icon up top and click the drop-down that says Upcoming Appointments. Any appointments that begin with the word telemed or telemedicine are video appointments. You can fill out pre-visit questionnaires for these appointments in the e-check-in section, or click the Details button to gain additional information about this appointment. The Details screen contains a button that says Start Jeff Connect Visit. A few minutes before your appointment start time, click this button to initiate the call. Note, you must initiate the video appointment through the MyChart patient portal. The provider's office will not call you to start the video appointment. When you start the visit, your internet browser will ask permission to use your camera and microphone. Click Allow here, and you'll know the visit's working when you see yourself in the bottom right-hand corner. Please note that the camera and microphone prompts may look slightly different depending on the type of internet browser you're using. The buttons at the bottom of your screen allow you to turn off your camera, turn off your microphone, or leave the visit. As long as you can see yourself in the bottom right corner, you're ready to go for your appointment. Just wait on this screen until your provider connects in and joins you.